Hi, this is Jelyn from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about geometric sequence for Math 10. So let's have the common ratio of geometric sequence. Determine the ratio of the following geometric sequence and the next term. So how are we going to find the ratio or the common ratio of the following geometric sequence? So for example number 1, we have here 1, 3, 9, and 27. So for the ratio, let's have here R. Let's have here the solution. It is R equals A sub 2 over A sub 1. A sub 2 here is the second term, so that is 3. So we have here R equals 3 over A sub 1, that is 1. So we have here 1. R equals 3 over 1, or 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. So R equals 3. The ratio is equal to 3. So therefore, we have to multiply 27 by 3 to find the next term. So this is step 1. Step 2, to find the next term, kindly have the last term. So that is 27 times the ratio, that's 3. So 27 times 3. What's the answer? That is 81. So we have here 81. So this is the next term. So that's it for example number 1. Let us have another example. We have here 100, 50, 25, 12.5. So let's have our solution here. Let's look for the ratio first. Ratio is equal to A sub 2 over A sub 1. A sub 2 is the second term, that is 50, over the first term, that is 100. But make sure that you have already simplified 50 over 100. This is a proper fraction, so therefore you have to think of a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. If you are thinking about 2 to divide this, yes, it is possible, but make sure that you will be simplifying it again and again and again. Okay? How about 5? Yes, it is possible, but just like 2, you have to simplify it again and again and again. Let's say that we have here 10. Yeah, 10 is possible, but the biggest number that we can divide the numerator and denominator is 50, so let's use it. So therefore, we will not divide it over and over again. So 50 divided by 50 is 1, 100 divided by 50 is 2. So our ratio is 1 half. So therefore, as you can see here, we have to multiply 12.5, the last term, by 1 half. Let's do it. But let me write it here at the right side. So we have here 12.5 times 1 half. This is the second way of solving it. So since it is a whole number, you have to multiply it to the numerator. So this is 12.5 over 2. So 12.5 over 2 is equal to 6.25. So 6.25 is our next term. Let us have another example. So we have here example 3. The given is 4, negative 8, 16, negative 32. Same process. Let's look for the ratio first. Let's write our solution here. And then R is equal to A sub 2 over A sub 1. A sub 2 is the second term, so we have here negative 8 over A sub 1, that's 4. So now, let's divide. Negative 8 divided by 4, that is negative 2. It is because when we divide a positive and negative number, we should get an answer of a negative number. And then just divide 8 and 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the sign is negative. So what are we going to do now? So this is step 1. For step 2, let's have the last term. So that's negative 32. We are going to multiply it with negative 2. So we have here times negative 2. So negative times negative is positive. So therefore, we are expecting a positive answer. So 32 times 2, that is 64. So this is our next term, 64. So now let's look for the nth term of a geometric sequence. How are we going to do that? For the fifth term, this is our formula. Formula is, let's write solution. That is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So a sub n will become a sub 5 because we are looking for the fifth term. A sub 1 is the first term, that's 40. What is r? The ratio. So therefore, to find the ratio, you have to divide the second term, so that is a sub 2 over a sub 1 raised to n minus 1. So n is the term that we are looking for, and that is 5 minus 1. So a sub 5 is equal to 40 times a sub 2, that's 20, over a sub 1, that's 40, raised to 5 minus 1, that's 4. Let's continue solving. So we have here a sub 5 is equal to 40 times, kindly think of a number that can divide 20 and 40 at the same time without remainder. So we can use 20 here, right? So therefore, 20 divided by 20 is 1. 40 divided by 20 is 2. So we have here 1 half raised to 4. Let's continue. So we have here a sub 5 is equal to 40. And then 1 raised to 4, that's 1. 2 raised to 4 meaning 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So we have here 16. And then, so we have here a sub 5 is equal to multiply 40 and 1. So that's 40 over 16. And then, you may simplify it. Think of a number that can divide 40 and 16. Let's have 8. So we have here a sub 5 is equal to 40 divided by 8, that's 5. 16 divided by 8, that's 2. And that is not the final answer yet, because 5 over 2 is an improper fraction. So therefore, we can still change this into a mixed number. So let's have 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So a sub 5 is equal to 2, the quotient, the remainder 1 in the numerator, and the divisor 2 in denominator. So this is a sub 5, or the fifth term. So this is 2 and 1 half. Or if you are going to convert this into decimal, then let's write or, it will become 2.5. So that's it. So this is for the part 1 of our topic, the geometric sequence. I hope that you would finish all of the parts of this topic for you to complete your knowledge about geometric sequence. If you have question or clarification about the topic or inquiries about us, kindly message the honors tutorials page. Thank you and God bless.